International pop star Rihanna gives birth to a bouncing baby boy. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Congratulations are pouring out online for international superstar Rihanna after it was revealed that she gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. So Rihanna is a mom. On May the 13th, the superstar gave birth to her first child, a boy, with her partner A$AP Rocky. But the news wasn't made public until just the 19th of May. The superstar first announced her pregnancy back in January and also posted a number of pictures online with her baby bump. So the international pop star is now a mommy after she was recently crowned a national hero in her country. So according to an international media source, her boyfriend A$AP Rocky welcomed their baby boy on May the 13th in Los Angeles. Rihanna and A$AP Rocky, who is also a first-time father, announced in January that the two were expecting with photos in New York City. The child name has not yet been reported. Links 007 TV will continue to track this and provide it more information to come on this, but a whole lot of congratulations have been pouring out online from even other celebrities as well and fans of the international superstars who have been doing so well on the international scene for some time now. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to congratulate them as well on this bouncing baby boy into this world. So we'll cover more stories to come on this. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, signing out.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.